Lakhanjodaro is an archaeological site and one of the largest cities of the Indus Valley civilization. It is located within an industrial zone on the outskirts of the modern city of Sukkur and situated at the distance of mere 75 kilometers from another major city of its contemporary era, Mohenjo-daro. It covers an expanse of more than 300 hectares. The site, located in Sukkur district, around 100 kilometers away from the Mohenjo-daro site, on the right bank of the Indus River, was first discovered in 1985 by Professor Qasid Mallah and his team from Khairpur University. It was excavated in 2006 by the archaeologists and students of Shah Abdul Latif University. Excavations were also undertaken by Professor Muhammad Mukhtiar Qazi of University of Sindh during 1996 and 2000. According to Dr. Mark Kinoya, it covers an area of more than 300 hectares, as large as Mohenjo-daro, 250 ha, and was the second largest city of the Indus Valley civilization. Lakhanjodaro is located near Sukkur. Material cultural finds of this site indicate that it predates mature Harappan period. It covers a large area in the form of few mounds. A radiocarbon date obtained from a charcoal sample collected from the same trial trench opened in Mound C, from which samples were taken by the Italian Archaeological Mission in Sindh in 1997, and the bronze figurine was found by the same mission, confirm the datation of this part of the site. The remains of the settlement area are spread over a large area which occupies more than 50 hectares. It is a mature Indus site, contemporary to Mohenjo-daro. The site is in the industrial area of Sukkur city and is endangered. Nearly 70% of the site is under the factories and most of it has been damaged by earth-moving machines digging out earth for construction purpose. The cultural repertoire included terracotta beads, miniature pots, spherical and cubical stone weights, copper figurines, copper objects, terracotta semi-precious and copper beads, terracotta and shell bangles, terracotta animal human and bird figurines, painted pottery, terracotta bowls, terracotta cones, terracotta cart pieces, shirt core and blades, grinding stones, steatite stone with engraved marking, steatite seals and steatite beads, etc. The major architectural remains unearthed included drains, walls, small chambers, platforms, hearths, well, staircase, a cluster of 4 large platforms along with a staircase and small chambers. An impression of a floor was also recorded. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.